Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up in WordPress website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to earn minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new and search here it and install this plugin from here. And activate this plugin. And after that, scroll down to the left hand side and here you will find the plugin option. Click on it, click on add new pop-up and give your pop-up name, and here you will find many pop-up options. You can choose any of them, and here is category. So I want to add a pop-up for my video, YouTube video, so I'm selecting YouTube tab from here, and now I'm selecting this option and now click on save. Now I'm going to select here 5 seconds and home to show, select everyone. When to close pop-up, after user close it, show on next pages. I'm going to select all pages and now click on design tab, and now here you have to put your video link. So I'm going to paste my YouTube video link here, and you can change the width and height from here. You can select the autoplay option, and if you want to change the pop-up background color, you can change from here, and here we can see the preview. Also you can change the button background color, level, font style. So once you're happy with your editing, click on save. And now I'm going to open my website and wait for 5 seconds, and then here we can see the pop-up is showing up here. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to earn minute. Thanks for watching this video.